rolling as a monkey, and when people come up to us, we beat them up. Or wear items, because we don't want to get hit in the first 5 seconds. And cart. And credits to Phil for giving me this idea. Well, he didn't give it to me, but I just wanted to give it to the club. Shoot, I just noticed I have this. We're not even in English server, dude. I think we have a server hop. No, we're in blocks. It's again. Idea. I'm gonna say help me 5 monkeys. I'm gonna say at jungle. Oh my god, they're over there. I see them. I'm gonna zoom in for you. I'll be back, guys, while I wait for them. Okay, I don't know if they're coming. I think they're gonna roll it through. Oh my god, they passed by me. Yeah, I'm watching Fortnite right now. Oh my god. Okay, is he coming? Okay, wait. I'm gonna okay. He tried to fight me once. Oh, I just destroyed him. Oh my god. That was our first fight of that. Oh my god. Well, I think he's gonna be like, what the heck? What just happened? Wait, is he gonna come to me again? Oh, he's enabling human. Does he know that I'm human? I think he's trying to fight me. Hold on. Get over here. I am Monkey Boss. Click on this for free. I am Monkey Boss. Click on me for free. I think he's trying to click on me, but nothing's happening. What gave it away? What gave it away? It just says XD. Wait, I think I just realized something. My name still says Liam Creator. I don't think I can change it in the next 7 days. Hold on, let me see. Editor, blur that out. Blur that out. Yeah, I can't change it. And then I won't be. My name to be Monkey for the next 7 days. Okay, let's go back in. Alright. Is anybody here in the jungle? It's pretty empty. Okay, wait, I can see something in chat. There's a guy right there. Can anybody help me find monkeys in jungle? Over there, hold on. Oh my god. Okay. He's gonna try to kill me. Guys, I can get these. Let's change this. Let's go to Buddha. Goodbye, my magnificent. Wait, maybe he's like a big dude. Big. Oh. I am Monkey Boss. Click on me for free fruit. Oh my god, this is actually working. Big, help me. Okay. To help me troll. Or not. Guys, if he doesn't help me, I'll put in the comments. that I think that thing made him like realize, oh, maybe he is real.
Nah, he left you, bro. You're not fighting him no more. Oh my gosh.
I think everybody here knows that I'm faking, so just run a different server for the last time. It's gonna be the last time. Oh, someone's leaving. Oh, I got an idea. Can anyone help me kill monkeys? That jungle. There's a guy lagging over there. Oh. Or I think he's like a totem nuclear. Who's Cupid Jace? Who's Cupid Jace? Oh, this is like a noob. I am Monkey Boss. Tap on me for 3 fruits. Tap on me for 3 fruits. Watch this. 2. Oh, I think that was so perfect, guys. He didn't even realize it. Hold on, where is he? But this is a... Okay, guys, I think everybody in the server knows, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.